Hey guys, it's Thespa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share what I've made for Scrapdaworld's holiday theme shaped tag swap. Hopefully I said that right. Anyway, so I found these little cards at the thrift store, and I just thought they were so cute. And I actually found these about a week before she posted her swap, and I was so excited. I just love the design, and I thought, well, if I find any swaps, I'll use those for my swap cards or something. But then she posted her swap, and I was lucky enough to snag a spot on her swap. And so my swap is kind of based on this card. It's kind of inspired by this card. So I'll just show you what I made. So a lot of my swap is candy cane themed because, the stripes and the candy cane martini and all that. So I've got a little bit of peppermint tea and a little peppermint spoon, a little chenille stem candy cane, a little straw, and I just made up this little pocket. And I stitched around the edges. As you can see, I created a little pocket here, and I just stitched around that. I can get it back down now. And so then that just, everything just slides into there. So that's just a little goodie I included. So here I found these little stockings at the thrift store. I thought they were super cute. And I created a little gifty in here. So I created a little beaded charm thing, and in this little bottle there's some little candy cane charms and some different beads and things to create. There's a bunch of little candy cane charms in there, and there's some different beads and things to create with. And then I've used some of those same candy cane charms to create some little beaded dangles here. A little bit of everything on that chain. And then here I just created a cute little, I guess portable pokey tool. So I found these little pins, and I thought those are cute, and those would work really good for just a little pokey tool. And then I used one of those little styrofoam balls, like from the packing stuff. It's kind of got iridescent glitter on it from the Dollar Tree, and I was trying to find something to stick on the end to protect the end, and I found that. I was like, oh, that works pretty well. So it looks like there's a little snowball on the end, but it protects the end, and it pretty much stays on there pretty good. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I created that for each partner. And then this is my tag. So this is how it's decorated, and I just I have these little paper clips that I found at the thrift store. Not paper clip, clothespins that I found at the thrift store. And then these I found at the Dollar Tree. I thought those were cute. And then this is my tag, my shaker tag. And I've got it full of all kinds of fluffy stuff. So it says Be Jolly. And here's what this looks like. Pull it out real quick. So she wanted us to create a shaped tag that was kind of thinking outside the box, and I thought, well, this little lady here is holding this cute little candy cane martini, and I thought, well, I'm going to try to make something that kind of goes with that. So I went on Creative Fabrica, and I found an SVG file for this shape, and then I had to alter it so that I could use it as a shaker, so that I could create, because it was just this piece here, the top piece. It also has like another little piece to show like the liquid or something inside, and then I put it in. I'll tell you how I made it after I get done showing you these things, but it's a really simple trick you can use to alter your SVGs. So anyway, so then I created this little tag here, and I stamped it with Be Jolly, and I stitched around the edge, so it's stitched all the way. and then I have the to from, and I have a teeny tiny little die set that says to from, but the inside of the letters is almost too small to really be able to read them very well. I mean, they are so tiny. So then I punched them out and I was like, oh, that looks kind of cool. So I decided to use the negative from the punch, and that worked out really well. So they got plenty of room to write on there if they want to. And then on this tag, I also sprayed some glimmer mist kind of stuff on it so that it would kind of be a little bit shimmery. And then I created the little shaker and put lots of little shaker bits and stuff in there. And then I put this little straw inside and had it poking out the edge. I thought that was kind of fun. And then here we've got all the drink salts, I guess. Salts or sugars, maybe. You know how they rim the glass with salts or sugars on a martini or whatever. Anyway, I thought that was kind of fun and kind of cute. So I just used some snow on there, and then some diamond dots in different colors, silver and red diamond dots. So added a little bit of bling to the edge. And then this was a set of tags from from Walmart. And then I just double-sided them, added two together and glued them together. And then I added some of this trim on the end for the hanging element. So that was another element that was on there. So that is my swap, and I do plan on adding a few little goodies once I figure out what I want to send or what I can send. I mean, I've already included some goodies, but I want to add something crafty in there. So maybe some stamps or some stickers or something. Something's going to go with this set. So I had actually thought about sending little drink mixes, flavored cocktail mix. And then I was like, nah, I don't think I want to send any liquids. So sorry, guys. I tried to find some powdered ones, but I couldn't find any of those. So anyway, I think it'll be a little bit more fun. And then this is the envelope, and then I found some little bell brads, and so I just put a bell on the envelope flap for that. So that's my swap, and if you want to learn how to alter an SVG for free, then stay tuned. Okay, so the packaging will look something like this because I just sewed up some little vinyl bags with red thread, and then I used some printed tissue paper, and then I added some bling and stuff inside and all these ribbons. And then I have these cute little candy cane tags that I can write my information and the swap information on. I have some glittery tulle, and then I also have this super cute glittery candy cane inspired ribbon. I thought that was really cute. And then I tied the bow with the ribbon, or with the tag ribbon, and in the center, so that kind of makes a nice little stacked bow there. So that was really fun to kind of do that and make it all cute. So that's how my packages will be packaged up and sent off. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to get this free file, I mean this not free. if you want any of these SVG files, you can find them on Creative Fabrica, and I have a link in the description box below where you can get 35% off your subscription. They have several different kinds of subscriptions, and they have fonts and designs and graphics and SVG files, and they have so many different files on that website, and a lot of 3D paper craft projects and just so many different things. So I'm going to go through real quick and show you a way that you can alter a simple SVG into the different shaker parts. So let's get into that. Okay guys, so this is the martini glass design that was on Creative Fabrica. It's really pretty simple. It's just the outline of the glass, and then this inside part that shows you the contents of the glass, basically. Now these two pieces are separate, so I'm going to drag this over here, and then this is what you got to work with. So that's basically, you know, your design for the front of the card and maybe the foam, right? But you still need a solid piece for the acetate and for the back of the card so that you can create a shaker. So I'm going to show you how to alter this very quickly. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to duplicate this so that I have two. I'm going to move this one down, move this one down here. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to path. There's an area right here that says path. I'm going to click on path. By the way, this program is Inkscape, and it is a free program where you can alter SVGs, create SVGs. It is pretty simple to use. There's tons of videos on YouTube showing you how to use it, but I'm going to show you directly how to change this into a solid shape. So we've got our design selected. We're going to go to path. We're going to go down to break apart. It says break apart right here. And now we have two pieces. I basically have an outside and an inside here. I will show you. See? Okay. So those are both selected. Now I'm going to go to path again, and I'm going to hit union. That creates an all one piece. It's all one piece. There's no holes, nothing like that, no layers. So I'm going to show you that one more time. So we've got this basic design. We're going to right click, duplicate. Hang on. We're going to select it first, right click, duplicate. Then we're going to move this down out of the way. Now we're going to go up to path. We're going to select break apart. Then we're going to hit path and union. That creates a solid piece. So now you have your outline and your solid piece for your acetate and your background, and then you have this piece. You can use that or not use it, it's up to you. But if you have an SVG that is literally just this outline, this is a simple, quick way you can fix that so that you have a background piece too. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that short tutorial. Check out Inkscape. It's a free program online. It works great for altering SVGs. And check out Creative Fabrica using the link below to get 35% off your subscription. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Appreciate you watching. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.